All right. It's Captain K-Man 420 coming at you this Tuesday, May 31st. Following up a good old Happy Memorial Day weekend, boys and gals. Say, Earl, what'd you do this weekend? Oh, me? Nothing. The usual. Hooking up the grill, cooking up that meat, setting chickens on fire trapped in a barn. Wait, what? Okay, guys. That's what's going on. What just happened? We got another one that just had a little case of sabotage is in the air. Ladies and gentlemen, this past Saturday night in Minnesota, we lost one of our biggest egg producing facilities at the moment in Howard Lake, Minnesota. Forsman Farms. Now again, like I just said, Forsman Farms in Howard Lake, Minnesota, Saturday night, in the middle of the night, the barn with chickens sitting there laying eggs day in and day out, laying eggs in your freaking dairy wall, ladies and gentlemen. This is a warning. This is a heads up. The barn just caught ablaze in the middle of the night. Can't even hide foul play on this one, ladies and gentlemen. What is happening? That barn housed about 200,000 chickens. So we just lost 200,000 chickens spitting out eggs left and right on a daily basis. And where's PETA at on this one, by the way? Just a quick note. Where's PETA on all these chickens' lives lost? On this animal abuse over those animals. Chickens are animals. Birds. Those animals aren't big enough for you? Good enough for you? They're not the animals you're concerned about? I digress. Again, where are we at? As we were reporting from the last few weeks here and there, we have lost quite a few of our food facilities over the past 6 to 8 months. At this point, all of a sudden, a small plane crashes right next to the General Mills plant. When that one happened, there was no turning back. You had all the others. Again, Taylor, Tyson, Purdue, chicken producing. Those are the meats. Now under this industrial incident that just keeps ironically happening in our food plants as of lately, happened in the middle of the night, a barn, chickens are just sitting there sleeping, and it goes up in flames. I don't think so, ladies and gentlemen. There is mischievous foul play all over this thing. What the heck? So again, like we've been reporting, and as I've mentioned before, we have lost some beef plants, Smith's Fields, ham and pork processing. Whatchamacallit, Kellogg's, Nestle, Taylor, Tyson, Purdue, and now this giant barn Again, in Minnesota, housing 200,000 chickens, laying eggs, day in and day out. We lost the chickens too. Not the barn caught ablaze and we lost the chickens. Bro, your dairy wall is about to be... Don't forget to mention the baby formula problem because the corrupt FDA shut it down for 3 months under false pretenses. Now we just lost 200,000 chickens. All right, that's all I got for you today, ladies and gentlemen. Just a warning, we just lost 200,000 chickens. Oonga boonga! Smash that like. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Share, subscribe, smash that bell. Oonga boonga! Captain Caveman!